Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most critical elements of any successful software product, the value proposition. By the end of this video, you'll know how to craft a value proposition that communicates the benefits of your software solution and resonates deeply with your target audience. Let's get started. First things first. What is value proposition? Simply put, a value proposition is a statement that explains the unique benefits and value that your software tool solution provides to your customers. It answers every potential customer fundamental questions. What's in it for me? A strong value proposition should be clear, concise, compelling, making it easy for the audience to understand the benefits you'll gain from your product. A value proposition consists in three key components. First, target audience. This is who is the solution for? Who are you targeting, or who has the issue that you're solving? Number two is the problem statement. This is basically what problem does it solve? What is the issue with those users that you're trying to solve by creating this software? And lastly, it's the unique benefits. And that's quite straightforward. It's what unique benefits does your solution provide to those users? To create compelling value proposition, we need to start by clearly defining the problem your software solves. Basically, what we're trying to do here is a guideline for you to understand what is the benefits or how are you helping your customers. Here we're gonna have 5 basic questions, and it's basically who is experiencing the problem, who are those customers. Then it's the what exactly is the problem. You need to be precise on that. It's not just like a full bag of issues. You need to be solving a specific problem. Then it's where does this problem occur? What's the situation? Then when does this problem occur? And last, why? Why is this problem worth solving? That's probably one of the most important questions that you're going to be answering, because either there's already a solution out there that it's solving it, or it's not solving one of these questions, or there's nothing out there and you need to do it, and that's why you're addressing it. Let's take an example. Suppose we're developing a project management tool. Our target audience is small to medium-sized businesses. The who. Struggling to keep track of project deadlines and team collaborations. The what. This problem typically occurs in remote work settings. That's the where. Especially when teams are juggling multiple projects simultaneously. That's the when. Solving this problem is crucial because it directly impacts productivity and team efficiency. There we have the why. Next, we transition from the problem statement to crafting our value proposition. And here's a simple formula to follow. First, identifying the main benefit your software provides. Then, explain how it solves the problem. Highlight what makes your solution unique. Let's take back to the example. For a project management tool, a value proposition might look like this. Our project management tool enhances team collaboration and streamlines project tracking, ensuring your team never misses a deadline. Unlike other tools, our solution integrates seamlessly with your existing software and offers real-time updates, making your project management effortless. Now, validation is key. You need to ensure that your value proposition resonates with your target audience. Conduct user interviews, surveys, and usability testings to gather feedback. Ask your potential users if they understand the value you're offering and if it addresses the pain point effectively. Who better to ask than the users? User interviews and surveys are excellent ways to gather qualitative and quantitative data. In these sessions, focus on understanding the user's experience and their reactions to your value proposition. Pay close attention to any confusion or misalignments they express. Based on the feedback, refine your value proposition. Make it as clear and concise as possible. Remember, your value proposition should be easily understood and immediately resonate with your audience. Once refined, ensure it's consistently communicated across all your marketing channels, from your website to your social media profiles. Consistency is crucial. Your value proposition should be the cornerstone of your marketing message. Whether it's on your website, social media, or promotional materials, ensure that the core message remains the same and it's prominently displayed. Let's look at some examples of companies with strong value propositions. Slack, for instance, promises a new way to communicate with your team. It's faster, better organized, and more secure than email. This value proposition clearly states the benefit, the problem it solves, and its unique advantage. Another example is Dropbox. Simplify your life. Dropbox lets you bring all your photos, docs, and videos anywhere and share them easily. Again, it's clear, concise, and addresses the user's needs directly. These examples illustrate how effective value propositions can make a significant impact. They clearly communicate the benefits and set the company apart from competitors. A value proposition isn't static, so remember this. Static? No. It evolves with your product and market conditions. Continuous improvement is essential. Regularly revisit and refine your value proposition to ensure it remains relevant and compelling. Use customer feedback and market research to guide these updates. Implementing a continuous improvement cycle allows you to adapt to changes and stay ahead of the competition. Regularly engage with your customers, understand their evolving needs, and adjust your value proposition accordingly. Now, let's put what we've learned into practice with a quick exercise. Grab a piece of paper or just type it in and answer these questions for your product. First, who is your target audience? Second, what problem does your product solve? Third, what are the main benefits your product offers? Next one, what makes your product unique? Take a few minutes to write down your answers. You can just pause the video, and then it would be great if you just share those answers in the comments. Great. Now try to craft a concise value proposition using your answers. Remember, keep it clear and focus on the benefits. Also, please share your value propositions in the comments so we can get feedback from other viewers and ourselves. And remember to focus on the user's needs and highlight the unique benefits of your products. To wrap up, here are a few final tips. Keep it simple. Avoid any jargon or technical language. Focus on the customer needs, not just your product's features. Test and iterate based on feedback. Ensure consistency in communication. Always be ready to adapt as your market and customer needs to evolve. Creating a value proposition that resonates is an ongoing process, but with these steps, you'll be well on your way to capturing your audience's attention and driving engagement. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating and delivering value.